5, 4, 3, 2, 1, go. Up to left 9, continues. To left 9 tight. Left 9 tight. Heel slot in front of us. Okay. And left 9 and tight hairpin right handbrake. On you go, on you go, on you go, on you go, on you go. Hairpin right. And left 9. And chicane into right. And hairpin right tight. Handbrake. You go. And fast right 4 and left 4, 60. To tight right 9. Tight right 9. Okay. And fast chicane right and left. And very fast long right. Keep in, keep in. On you go, on you go. That's it, use the gears. And flat left. Stay right on the exit. Flat, flat, flat. Keep going, keep going. Flat, okay, okay. And tight hairpin left, drive it into chicane. Stay right. Now, danger after this one. It's a fast left 5. Keep in, keep in. Right and tight. Here, left, keep in tight. Slow down a little bit.
Alright, I remember it now.
Okay. And left and right. And then left and right again. Stay right on the exit of this one. And long right 4 continues. Keep going, keep going, keep going. Stay right on the exit. Stay right. Chicane. And stay left. For a tight right 9 narrow. Tight right 9 narrow. And flat left, don't cut. Continues. And you go, this is flat, this one, absolutely flat. 60 to danger, very slippy, right 9. Danger, very slippy, right 9. Keep in here. Okay. And left 9 continues, better, well done. All the way around. Track's clear. Okay, right 9. Continues all the way around. It's flat on the exit. Flat on the exit here. On you go now. Okay. And flat left around the bales. Flat left around the bales. Keep going, keep going. Last apex now. On you go. To open hairpin right. Up inside, inside. They'll let you go on the exit of the hairpin. On you go, on you go. Well done. To chicane left and right. 60 to hairpin left wide. Hairpin left wide. Okay. And long hairpin right continues. Narrow exit. Narrow exit. Keep in, keep in, keep in. That's it. Well done. And left very slippy. Left chicane very slippy. Okay. And right 4, don't cut. 20. And hairpin left, drive it. Okay. And right 8 opens on the exit. And you go. And you go. And stay right. For right entry chicane, splitting right. Right entry chicane. 20, and chicane into left. 30, and left 9, and hairpin right tight. Left 9, hairpin right tight. Okay, well done. Left 9. Stay right on the exit, chicane. And tight hairpin right. And fast right 4 and left 4. 20 to right 9. Okay, and chicane right and left. On you go, on you go. And flat right, keep in, down a gear. Down a gear. On you go now, keep in. Okay, well done. And absolute flat left. Stay right on the exit. 80 to hairpin left into chicane. Well done. Stay right. We'll pass him on the straight here. After the bails, a danger, left, 8, keep in. Danger, long left, keep in.
Yep.
Yep, just watch the exit of this one, okay? He knows you're there, yep. Just keep in, keep in. Okay, on you go, that's it, on you go. Left and right. Then left and right. Okay, and it's a long right 4, don't cut. Right 4, don't cut. On you go. And chicane into right. Stay left. For a tight, narrow right 9. Narrow ahead. Okay. Right, let you go. On you go. And flat left. Don't cut. Keep going, keep going. And flat left. 60. And danger, right 9 slippy. Danger, right 9 slippy. Keep in. Neat.
Go down.
Okay. And left 9 continues. Okay, you go. And right 9 continues. Keep in, flat on the exit. On you go now. And flat left, around the bail. Flat left long, around the bail. Last apex now. Okay, and open hairpin right continues. Keep in here. Okay. Keep in. And chicane left and right. 20 and hairpin left wide. Hairpin left wide. Okay, well done. And long, open hairpin right. Narrow exit. Keep in here all the way around. Well done. Danger, slippy left entry. Okay. And right 4, don't cut. 20 and hairpin left. Good, well done. And right 8, watch the exit of this one, watch this one. Okay. And stay right, repeat, splitting right. The right entry chicane, right, the right entry. On you go, on you go. Okay, and left 9 and hairpin right. No traffic around us, okay? And left, chicane into right, and hairpin right, tight. Nothing behind us. Right 4 and left 4. And right 9 tight, right 9 tight. And flat right and left chicane. Watch your tyre here, yeah, let me go. And long right, slow it down in the middle a bit. Slow it down. Pass them on the straight at the exit. On you go. Right, outside, right hand side. And flat left. 100 to hairpin left. Hairpin left into chicane. Okay. And stay right. 200. Danger after the bails. Long left tightens. Keep in. Long left tightens. Keep in. Remember this one.
Yep.
Okay, on you go. And right and left chicane. And then right and left. And down to a right 4 continues, don't cut. And chicane enter right. Narrow ahead.